Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Distro Technologies, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can get Amazon Prime Video for free. So if you like content like this, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you do not miss updates anytime I drop them. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is a VPN. So open any VPN of your choice and connect to any server in the United States. Next, open your browser and head over to amazon.com. Now, I don't want you to use your personal Amazon account for this, so let's create a new Amazon account. You can do that by using a temporary email. So get yourself one, enter your first name, your last name, and then enter a password of your choice and verify your email. An OTP will be sent to your temporary email, so make sure you copy the code and come and paste it in the space provided and create your Amazon account. Okay, now that we have successfully created our Amazon account, let's move on to the next step. On the home page, tap on the Join Prime button over here. Now, as you can see, we are being offered 30 days free trial. So scroll down, tap on Add a credit or debit card. Now fill out your card details. Now, I've done so many videos about how to get virtual cards. Please make sure to check out those videos on the channel, get yourself a card, and come and continue with the tutorial. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the card I got from No Ones. I recently dropped a video about how to get a card from No Ones. I'll leave that in the description. You can check it out, get yourself a card, and use it as a payment method over here. Tap on the Add and Continue button to add your card to your account. Next, you need to add an address to your account. So head over to this website and generate a random US address. After filling out the address information, tap on the button below. When you encounter this problem, don't worry, just tap on the button again. Okay, so now that our card information has been added successfully, I want you to scroll down and tap on this Continue button over here. If everything goes smoothly, you should see this button that says Start your free trial of Prime. I want you to tap on it. Now, Amazon will charge your card to see if there is funds on it. So if you get a notification that your card has been charged, don't worry. I think they just charge $1. And then after a few minutes, it will be reversed back to you. As you can see on the screen, my card was charged, and then after a few minutes, it was reversed. Okay, so now that we have successfully activated our 30-day free trial for Prime Video, let's log into the Prime Video app. Select your profile. Now, one thing to take note is that our VPN is still on. So we need to go and turn off our VPN and come and refresh the app before we can start watching the movies and series. Prime Video does not take kindly to VPNs. So if you still have your VPN on and you try to watch a video, it will not work. You see something like this. So disconnect your VPN, come back, refresh the app, and you should get access to all the TV shows and movies that you want to watch on Prime Video. And you can enjoy this for 30 days. Now, when the subscription is getting close, so let's say the 29th day, or if you are living close to the edge, the 30th day, you can cancel your subscription and then go and create another Amazon account, follow the entire process, get access to Prime Video, and come and log in and get another 30 days free. And you can keep doing this and be enjoying Amazon Prime Video without paying for it. So this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please leave me a like on the video and subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss updates like this anytime I drop them. And also share this video with someone else who also wants to get Amazon Prime Video for free. And I'll see you guys in the next update.